Hi to all of you, hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome to another video where we are showing you live performance of a rise and fall trading system, which is consistent in making profits daily basis, and the results are so amazing and powerful. Here you guys can see on screen, with small capital we started growing this account to the new highs, and the system is doing exactly what we want. Taking consistent trades, making profit, and growing the balance to the new highs. How actually it works? A lot of people ask me on the previous video upload how actually it works. To get enrolled on this thing, you guys need a Tor browser. Tor browser is available to download, it's totally free of cost, and you need onion routing. After getting, which is totally free, chat with our team. The guys will help you to set up all on Tor browser. There is a specific time to use this system to make the cash. There is another common question they asked me about: what's the minimum capital to start this rise and fall system trading? So the minimum capital is $20, $10, even you can start with $1. What will be your daily target? When you focused on making money, leave the greed aside and start thinking about making something big. So your daily target will be, in a specific time run, what you get. That will be your target. There's no fixed target. Why? Because bot takes sometimes losses, minor losses, and then start using system again to grow the account to new highs. I don't say if you don't have money to use this system. I said if you want to have it, then there is an opportunity to milk the market in a real way. So you guys can do this chatting with us, and we're gonna guide you how to do this. Let's make the profit together, guys. I'm not a kind of shit who is just going to eat alone. No, I'm going to guide you proper how to do this thing, how to run this on Tor on your routing, and how to make. This is a thing which only you can run in a specific time. There is a restart of algorithm we noticed on Deriv website. They update the algorithm and revise it to manipulate the markets and make trading harder for newbies and for traders. That's how they update their algorithm, so you guys go stuck in trading and make losses. This is how Deriv make profits. But we change the history, we change everything to the profitable journey. How? The simple thing: come to the Tor browser, which is private and totally free. There is no boundaries, it's totally accessible, and you will see how to grow and how to make profit. So everyone, if you guys want to have this, the performance is running in front of you on screen. I'm not doing any commentary on the profit, which is taking or not. Each and everything is in front of you live. You guys can see, watch everything. And if really you're interested, then come inbox us. So let's get started in making this cool cash together. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If yes, then hit the subscribe button. Stay updated on upcoming new videos. Also press the bell icon. Like and share with others. Let's spread the positivity and make. It's only losses and you're tired of this shit. But the good thing is that you never ever give up. That's why today you are on my video. Watch it. In front of you, there is a bot which is running on Rise Fall, which is available on Deriv official website. The bot would do. The bot do trading for you. Online is totally automatic. You just need to make a deposit of $10 or $10, what you can afford. If it's the little $5, no problem. You can. Okay? And after making a deposit, what to do? Follow instructions. What team provide you? Follow instruction, switch on the bot, and let's get started to the journey of success. Make consistent profit. How? What is this? Actually, this is a newly designed bot which working on Tower browser. Have you heard this before? Tower browser? This is kind of only routing